Shrestha. I'm 22 years old from Sanepa. I'm currently at Air Arabia interview for cabin crew. अनि म चाहिँ like आज चाहिँ एकदम excited plus nervous छु. So hope everything goes well. Thank you.
Hello and Namaste. I am Prakriti Bista, 24 years old from AHTI. So I am here at Nagpokhari for the interview of Air Arabia. I am little very nervous and very pleased to be the part of Air Arabia's interview. Thank you.
Hello, Namaste everyone. I'm Christina Badrai. I'm the student of AHTI and here I'm coming for the interview of Air Arabia in Ariana Boutique Hotel. So I'm very excited for this interview as well as nervous at the same time. Hope for the positive response. Thank you.
Hello and Namaste everyone. I'm the student of AHTI and right now I'm here at Ariana Boutique Hotel for an interview of Air Arabia. I did finish my grooming session and I'm excited and nervous. Thank you so much.